Strategic management is essential for long-term growth and competitiveness. It integrates strategy, resources, and performance monitoring to ensure organizations thrive in dynamic environments. Strategic management involves continuous planning, monitoring, and analysis of resources and operations. It ensures all activities align with the organization's long-term vision and objectives, helping organizations respond effectively to changing market conditions and competitive landscapes. The importance of strategic management lies in its ability to provide clear guidance and measurable outcomes for the entire organization. It enables quick pivots in response to market changes and disruptions, enhances market positioning through deliberate resource allocation, and ensures long-term viability through balanced growth strategies. The VOSIC framework is a comprehensive approach to strategic management, focusing on vision, objectives, strategy, implementation, and correction. It establishes the future direction and aspirations, sets specific, measurable targets, provides the roadmap to achieve objectives, executes the strategic plan, and evaluates and adjusts the approach. A compelling vision establishes a unifying purpose. It inspires stakeholders and provides direction, connecting to deeper organizational values. Vision shapes culture and decision-making at all levels, becoming the North Star for strategic choices. Objectives in strategic management are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. They involve clearly defined targets, quantifiable indicators, realistic challenges, alignment with vision, and clear deadlines to ensure effective goal setting. Crafting a strategy involves analyzing internal capabilities and the external environment, identifying competitive advantage opportunities, allocating assets to maximize impact, and sequencing planned tactical steps in optimal order to achieve strategic goals. Implementation focuses on executing the strategic plan through role assignment, clarifying responsibilities and accountability structures, establishing clear milestones and deadlines, distributing budget and staff appropriately, and tracking progress against key metrics. Correction in strategic management requires continuous evaluation and adaptation. It involves measuring performance, analyzing variances between expected and actual outcomes, determining root causes of deviations, and modifying strategies and tactics as needed to address challenges and opportunities. Strategic analysis tools like SWOT analysis, PESTLE analysis, and Porter's 5 forces are essential for evaluating internal strengths and weaknesses alongside external opportunities and threats. They help examine factors including political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal elements, and analyze industry competition. Popular strategic management models, such as the Balanced Scorecard and BCG matrix, help organizations align activities with vision and optimize resource allocation. These leading frameworks provide structured approaches to enhance strategic planning and execution. Key supporting practices in strategic management include strategic flexibility, performance management, stakeholder engagement, and innovation management. These practices help organizations rapidly adapt to environmental changes, align employee efforts with strategic goals, involve key parties in strategic processes, and foster creative solutions to strategic challenges. A real-world example of strategic management in action is Company X's response to market disruption in Q2. By implementing SWOT analysis and balanced scorecard, they identified new opportunities, leading to rapid strategic adaptation and exceeding previous market share within a year. The conclusion highlights the path forward with strategic management, showcasing a 60% higher success rate and a 3x growth multiplier. Strategic agility correlates with faster revenue growth, and 85% change readiness indicates that strategic organizations better navigate market disruptions. Effective strategic management balances clear vision with agile execution, embracing both structure and flexibility to thrive in tomorrow's landscape.